Hi everybody, welcome to Dandelion Cottage and Paper Crafting Saturday. I'm Leslie Watkins, and today I was going to be doing something else. I had something else planned, but I discovered I need a couple of gift tags, so I thought I would share that with you. This is the gift tag I'm going to make. It's actually a gift card holder and a tag all in one. So you see this little bookmark with the greeting on it could easily hold your gift card. Let me see if I have something here in front of me that I can demonstrate with. So here's something that's gift card size. So here's a typical size card. So you can see that that would fit just the same in that little pocket. And then you could take your tag and either hang it on the tree, pop it in somebody's stocking, put in an envelope, whatever it is that you like. So this is actually really easy to make. You don't need a lot of equipment, at least the version I'm going to show you. This one is a little more elaborate because it has embossing and die cuts, but I'm going to show you how you can do it with just stamping, just with paper, ink, and stamps. Okay, so I have a package left over from my class this month. I had an extra one, so I'm going to show you what comes in one of these kits. So in here you have the tag shape already cut out of cardstock. You have a little bookmark that was cut and then punched using the tag topper punch to give it that nice little area to slip your ribbon through. And then I have a card to put on the inside for the message, and I included an embossed piece of paper for the outside. Now this you do need special equipment for, okay? This is called embossed paper, and if you look closely you can see that the snowflakes are actually popped up, and so you get this wonderful kind of texture. But for today's video I'm just going to keep it very simple. I'm not going to use this. And then I have some little pieces of ribbon, and I have some embellishments. So these are just these beautiful little blue gems. These are called the blue adhesive backed gems, and they come in 2 different tones and several different sizes. I'm just using 5 of this size here. Okay. Get myself organized. So for the card base, first thing I want to do is I'm going to glue. First I'm going to stamp, and then I'm going to glue my message area in on the inside. I'm going to get out my trimmer because I want to cut down a piece of cardstock. And let's see, get my ruler out. We'll take a quick measurement. So this is going to be, it's going to be 2 3/4 by 4. So this is very easy to do. 2 3/4. Just find your place. Run the blade up and you get a perfect cut. So I'm looking at 4 over here. Get that lined up. and cut. And that's all there is to the trimmer. Excuse me. And if you are just getting started or think you might want to begin, or if you know somebody that this would make a really nice hobby for, I will include a list below of all of the essential tools that you would need to get started to do paper crafting, card making, and box making. So there is my front piece. And now we're going to stamp. So the stamp set I'm using is called Snow Wonder, and I like it because it has nice big images that are very beautifully drawn. It has some snowflakes for decoration. It has some really nice sentiments. So I'm going to use the snowflake. Yes, I'm going to use the snowflake, but I'm going to use the snowman too. And I'm using balmy blue ink. And this ink is going to match the cardstock perfectly. So this is balmy blue cardstock, balmy blue ink. I'm just going to ink up my snowman. Get him centered on my card. Give it a little press. And there he is. And then for the inside, where my message is going to go, I'm going to take these snowflakes and I'm just going to put a little decoration in two opposite corners. So there's one and two. All right, and now all I need is my sentiment. And I think I'll keep it simple, and I'm just going to say Happy Christmas. I'm just getting that mounted up. Put that, let's see. There we go. A little crooked, but that's okay. Now I've got some liquid glue here. This is the multi-purpose liquid glue, and I really like this because it's archival, it dries fast, and it has this very easy nozzle that you can apply your glue exactly where you want it to be. So I like that kind of precision application. I'm just going to get that centered on there like so. And then for my front, I've got my snowman. There we go. Just going to give that a good burnish. And then all I need to do is just add a little bit of adhesive to my flap on the side and along the bottom. I'm just going to hold that in place for a moment. And that's my gift card. So if you wanted You could slip your gift card in the pocket, or you could put some money in there, or you could just take a little bookmark style tag. I'm just slipping some ribbon through that slot. And now on here you can either stamp or write a message, or even adhere your gift card so it stays in place, and that's going to slip right in there into that little pocket. And fold this over. I'm going to burnish all my folds with my bone folder. The bone folder is one of the essential tools that I include in my essential toolkit. So the basic three are the bone folder, the snips, and the trimmer. Okay, so these are a wonderful collection of tools to give somebody for a Christmas present. And I still have gift certificates, so if you're interested in something like a gift certificate, please go ahead to my website and send me an email. Or the other thing you can do is subscribe to Notes from Dandelion Cottage Design. And once you do that, you'll be getting an email that has the links to all of the gift certificates and other opportunities that I have coming right up that you may be interested in. So there is the front of our card, and now I'm going to take this really beautiful fancy ribbon to dress it up even more. And give it a nice bouffant bow. Spread that out. And I'm just going to add some of these gems as buttons down his front. Oops. One more. There we go. All right. So I think that's pretty cute. Let me zoom you in so you can see it better. There it is. A beautiful little gift card tag. And I just want to show you a couple of other things that I've made using this stamp set, because I think it's one of the more versatile ones. I made this beautiful little box to hold some note cards. So here's an example of using a lot of different things. So this is really the sky's the limit. But here you have some specialty glimmer paper. You've got that embossed folder. You've got the little snowman is stamped and cut out with dies, as are the Christmas trees. Then you've got this beautiful label here with the snowflakes, and they have additional snowflake embellishments on them to give it some added sparkle. So I hope that gives you some ideas, excuse me, of what you can do. And if you're interested in learning more, please go to dandelioncottagedesign.com and subscribe to Notes. And I'm going to be sending out an email letting people know about last-minute gift certificates that they can get for the creative people in their lives or for yourself. So stay well, stay creative, and I will see you next time.